Abby, the social media manager here at Something Borrowed Blooms.
And I'm Emily, the social media coordinator.
And we are here to give you another how-to with SBBlooms, where we create trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk flower. Today we took a special request from Jonella in our Facebook group. She wanted to see a recreation of a wedding install that we actually did for my wedding with the Gemma Collection, and that is what we're going to show you today.
So the products you'll need today are 14 Gemma garland, and we use this white grid wall that we got from Uline if you wanted to get the exact same one, and we use zip ties and wire cutters.
Alright, let's get into the install. And there you have it, a Gemma double grid wall install that you can easily recreate for your wedding using any of our 15+ premium silk wedding flower collections.
If you want to have a say in what we'll do next week, be sure to join our Facebook group, SBBlooms Insiders. The link will be in the description. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for any more ideas, tips, tricks, and how-tos. Thanks for watching.
We'll see y'all next time. Bye.